proceeded to box him down at ground and must kick him up and some bag of
Gun people, bless up on yourself, you know the style though. So, for all who want to know what really happened with the daddy one, whole situation and thing, taking that short, spicy video when we make phone, is it? So, this can enlighten all you know, and also inform you know, is it? So, you don't have to worry on yourself, is it? Me just taking the video here will really go on, is it pre?
first story me get, and then we go to the second story me get. See? The legend artist there are all our vibes. And then the little artist forward, young artist forward. So, me hear say the legend artist stand up in the walkway. And a reason, and the little artist, me tell you their name, just I go to the story first. Zine, and the little artist now, I pass, him not say excuse, him not say beg a little pass, nothing at all. Boom! Him bumps the legend artist out of the way. See? So, the legend artist, after him bumps him and walk past, these are the allegations, the first set of allegations on me here. So, like the legend artist take a while to understand what him do, you know? So he must say, what a rude boy, so, the little artist pass back, come back round, and say, I want brother, you know, see you in the way. Boom, and bumps him again. So, the legend artist I say, wait. But this don't make no sense. 2 times now you bumps me with no respect, so. When him go around the next side of the studio now, the legend artist go around there. And I say, youth man, and where you really are dealing? Like, I 2 times you bumps me this area. So the young artist must say, I want to be a batty man. We are coming and chatting with me for dog. Zine. So the legend artist say, me I call batty man? You know of me fuck man? Me ever fuck you yet? Oh you call me batty man my youth? So the little artist proceed to say, go suck out your mother. The same suck your mother suck me. The same suck your mother suck. So, the younger artist say, go suck out your mother. These are allegations based on what we hear. So, him and the bigger artist now, in a lot of argument now. So, you know, entourage member, they are trying to quash it. So, one of the entourage member for the bigger artist, hold up on the little artist shoulder based on the allegations that I am hearing. Hold up on the younger artist shoulder, and I say, yo, done it man, no calm down, no calm down. But the younger artists don't know say that person that will hold up on his shoulder is close to the artist where I'm arguing. So he flash off him and say, yo, who the man where you touch me from my youth? Don't touch me my youth. And the man say, no, that me just as if it done him as a batty boy. Not touch me, because suck your mother. So when him say that now, remember, I too suck your mother that run, you know. Based on the allegations of what me are hearing. So him tell the artist himself to go suck your mother. And then the man we are trying party to calm down them who is a member of the elder artist entourage. Him tell go suck his mother. So the man then now proceeded to box him down at ground and must kick him up and some bag of thing. That is the first allegation. Second allegation, based on the opposite side of the fence, because you know me get both sides of the fence. The young artist now, allegations are that the elder artist have him up to one show. Because the younger artist supposed to go to the show go perform, and the younger artist never go. And the elder artist have him up because he never got the show. So when him there at the studio now, based on the allegations of me here, based on the allegations of me here, the younger artist now are passed to government business and the elder artist deliberately put himself in the way for Bunksy. Because the elder artist have him up from when them not got the show. So that caused the argument. So the elder artist bunks him 2 times in order to start the argument between the two of them. So him can argue about the show where the young artist never go. So they must say basically, coming from the young artist camp, he must say the elder artist provoking. See? So him know as the younger artist get vexed and I say, Batty man, we have bumps me for Regine, right there take remember the younger artist don't hear all the elder did style him up from them not go to show. So the younger artist now I say, Batty man, we have bumps me way and the elder artist get mad and I say, who you call Batty man? Me ever fuck you? Right there me, yeah man, you see my fuck no man, right there. So the younger artist proceeded to send him up on their mother. So, as so now, the members of entourages get involved and the next entourage member for the elder artist proceeded to give the artist multiple bucks and kicks and slaps. You understand? So, this is what I tell you now all the while. Them little artists here smoke the grabber, smoke the weed, not eat no good food, go out with 50 man, act bad, and if you rush them for you and them physically fight, them can't do them like cock. You understand? Some of them, based on the allegations, them pants always under them bottom, so as them for getting a fighting motion, them have to drop them pants, and by the time them fit do that, punch and reach them, kick and reach them, because in a fight, they don't have time to get dressed. You understand? And like a boxing match where you know so you book figure fight. You see me? Well, so this should have still be breaking news. So me enough to talk about it. Hold on. So one answer, me enough to talk about it. One listen me. Gandhi, like the people must say me enough to talk about it. Why me enough to talk about it? But this is what me are saying again, see? All you hear some man and this me and I say, something man and think, me know say, if me go Jamaica right now, no man, if both scenarios are true, he still shouldn't set up. He deserve what reach him to real. Hear Magavic say? Alright. But what me I say again, see? If me see that you then now, and step to him, you know. Him not fight, you know. I want to be honest with me, I say. So them if you stop, that's something they dog. You see me, I say? That's something that you have to really can fight. Because one thing when you go movies with your girl, or you got your girl yard. Big up non-chat one. You see me? With a $5 offering. Big up yourself. Whatever you get from me, I say, G. See? So, this jumper record and these people and this, tell a man go suck him mother because you have 2 friends around you where bad and a so badness go. Because you will buck up in time when I know there's something there go on. And you are going to ramp with a man that really can fight. And really want to fight. You understand what I'm saying? A man will punch up your face. So you have to prepare if you can fight back. But then we come here and say, the first box the man give the artist spread out a drum to us. And then in bridging there now, we want to defend it. Because you know a bridging thing, loyal thing, and go touch him waist. And then a beer waist start touch and beer thing start. You understand? So in bridging could even do nothing. Kind of like you ramp with some man when I stay. So you see me? You understand what I say? So I bet me I try to tell the young youth them and them ever say me chat too much and me I try to teach them the road before things reach them, you see me? And then now here, you have some artists where you can't ramp with, you have some man in the road with the music, your mouth say the wrong thing, your teeth them box in there. I saw it there. Because you have some man in the music were really fucking serious are really bad.